Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike has got a little under 15,900 miles on it. We'll take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is overall in good condition. It does have some cosmetic issues on it. I'll show them to you as we go around. It's got a tinted windscreen. Very good front tire on it. Got a little scraping here on the front fairing. Aftermarket shorty levers. Got some tip over scraping down here. This also has a aftermarket pipe on it, GYTR. Tank pad. As you can see, the tank's in good shape. No dents, no scratches, no rock chips. This does have a gel-filled passenger seat on it, you can see. Also has an aftermarket tail with LED blinkers. A very good back tire. A little chip here on the tail too. You can just kind of barely see it. Got some down damage right there, along with some on the engine cover and on the middle fairing. Also has flush mount front blinkers. Another shot of that shorty lever. Now this little side panel here is missing on the tank. Right here, it's a little black cover. We will be putting one of those on it. Like I said, the bike's in overall good condition. A little bit of cosmetic damage on both sides, but 18,477 is what the mileage is on this. Fires right up. Runs really nice. Like the sounds of that pipe. A little scraping there too on the front cowl. This bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.